Hi, it's Plush2x, and you're watching behind the scene for episode 90 for the Plush2x Vegan Kitchen. I had my hair out in the mohawk. It is not in the mohawk right now. This is the preparing it to be crimpy for my next episode. So yeah, I'm twisting it. Normally I braid it because with the braid you get a better crimp, but the twist gives a deep wave kind of a crimp. So yeah, I like different variety. I like it out how I had it in the show today too. I just washed it earlier, and that's the natural look without the twist. But being that I don't want to wet it every day, I do this for maintenance when I go to bed. Either twist it up or tie it, or I keep it in a ponytail like I had it in the previous episode. So yeah, this is my maintenance. And when I take it out, it's going to be crimpy and all that stuff. Well, not crimpy. Crimpy will be braids. It's going to be twisty. I don't know, deep wave. Whatever. Look at it. It looks so like an African hairstyle, doesn't it? Yes, it is. Oh, have a good day. Have a good night, actually. It's nighttime. And I'm about to go to bed after I take my shower. And I had a long day. Good night.